Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. All right, good morning. How's everybody doing? Daily chart first. We're still stuck between the 200-day exponential moving average sitting, where are we at here? Call it 4183. We've traded as high as 77.5 in the overnight. And underneath us is that 100-day exponential moving average, that 4080 area, which has continued to hold. You have some support there at that little blue line, which is the 9-day. That was support back at the end of July. It continues to be support now. But what's most interesting is here on the hourly chart, you get the new weekly pivot, 4131.83. We spent a couple, 3-4 hours establishing that as support. And then in 10 p.m. hour, Europe, they go ahead and they take it up, make a higher high versus this consolidation area from back Thursday, Friday. So they tried the big move down, they crawled back, they made a higher low at weekly pivot, and now they've made a higher high. That's not good news for the bears. Unless the bears are going to wind up and really have a big day, you see a little bit of a push down now. You have news, you have econ, you have all kinds of stuff going on. Whether, that's sustainable for the bears remains to be seen. It worked out great for us. Anytime on a Sunday night or the first day of the week, we can get something where that weekly pivot acts as a bull bear and we get some support. So we're long from the 33 area. The week's over before it starts, so it's ideal for us. We've just got runners working. We just took our middles up here in the 70s and nice little Monday. Nice little Monday. So you've got volume weighted average price 41.57, proprietary moving average at 65. Price is coming in to test that now. 5-minute mids at 69. So we'll see what this is all about. Some news, some earnings, something out there that's pushing it back. We'll see if these pushbacks are sustainable or whether they're going to get bought. The bottom line, though, for the bears is you're going to have to close, if not today, pretty quickly and pretty early in the week below weekly pivot. The side that loses the battle of weekly pivot early in the week is going to concede directional price later in the week. The bears could not get below last week's weekly pivot. You see it down there at 40.63. And while the bulls didn't blow it out of the building, they also didn't lay down either. So what I will say is that if this little pushback in the tape is all about NVIDIA earnings, okay, whatever. So, they're going to need more than that. They're going to need some macro stuff to really sit on top of it. So we'll see what happens. And there's plenty of macro stuff out there. What you've got up here is what we've just done, which is we just took profits. So we just took our runners for 30, took our middles for 40, and we're sitting around, 25 on the day. And great. Cool. It's 9:05 in the morning. So as we get into the open, I really want to keep an eye on VWAP. I want to keep an eye on the proprietary moving average. So 57 to 65 is going to be important. And then if you're the bulls, look, you took it up there. You need to get it back up there. You need to get it back up there. You don't necessarily have to close above 77, but you need to hold weekly pivot the rest of the week. And you need to certainly hold 48.49, which is the hourly midband you can see right there on the chart. So that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic Monday. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow.